Hey everyone, in today's video we're diving into Figma's auto layout tool. Check out this button component with a rectangle and text. Before auto layout, when I type, the text overflows the rectangle. Time to fix that. Select the text and rectangle, hit the plus icon next to auto layout in the inspector. Make sure both rectangle and text are set to HUD contents for resizing. Now, when I type, the rectangle adjusts with the text. We're also adjusting padding, the space between text and rectangle edges. Moving on to a frame with an image and text. Remember, keep them in a frame like this. When we enlarge the image, it goes beyond the frame. Same with the text. Here's the solution. Select the frame, apply auto layout, and set resizing to HUD content for the frame and text. But for the image, choose fixed. See that space between items setting? It fine-tunes the gap between the image and text. And padding too. When I add more text, the frame expands, maintaining a consistent 30 units of spacing. Alignment tool time. I adjusted the text size to showcase it. Watch how the text aligns perfectly in the center of the frame. Stacking option alert. With a spacing of -70, it looks like the images are stacked. Advanced settings allow last on top or first on top stacking. Now, shake things up by clicking this icon under Auto Layout Settings. Choose vertical, horizontal, or wrap layout. I'm going with vertical and adjusting spacing. That was it for today's video. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe for more design tutorials and tips. We will see you in the next video.